Avoid paying for the group. Let everyone know, bro, sis, we're going to that place, have you got yourself? Because I've only got myself. If you decide to, opt for the fancy places, I would advise that you request for water. If you're requesting for all these cocktails, cocktail will be 6,000 naira. Before you know it, you've had 3. You don't have to go to every single concert. These concerts, they take your money. Like, be smart. You can even watch it on Instagram Live these days. If you decide you cannot bear your family members and you want to stay in a hotel, avoid the big name ones. You know the one I'm talking about now. Hi guys, so many of you might be thinking, post-COVID, turn up in Lagos in December. You might be considering like, well, I'm coming to Lagos in December, I need to turn up. Or you might just be a Lagosian and you're like, December is coming, or with this COVID matter, I need to be very smart with spending money, not wasting money. Don't worry, this video is for you. This video, I am creating it for your benefits. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you the 20 ways to save money in Lagos in December. These are 20 surefire ways that I have tried. It's tried and tested. It works. If it's your first time seeing my face, to introduce myself, my name is Sassy Funke and I'm a Nigerian travel and lifestyle content creator. Typically on my channel, I share flight reviews, travel vlogs, anything to really help the average Nigerian or African traveler travel better, travel smarter. If that's you, give this video a thumbs up first. Like, if that's you, subscribe, and also don't forget to turn on your notifications. I would really love for you guys to join the family. So let's get straight into this video. Number 1, do not book your trip to December in December. You dig? Like, don't book you're going December 15th and you're going to book your ticket December 1st. No. Book it a couple of months in advance so you can save money. Number 2, it is not compulsory, to stay in a hotel, or to stay in fancy accommodation. Find an auntie, an uncle, a friend that is willing to accommodate you for free. This is especially important if you are going to stay in Lagos for a couple of weeks, because those hotel fees, hey, before you know it, you're getting to hundreds of thousands. So stay with an auntie or uncle, a friend. Number 3, if you decide you cannot bear your family members and you want to stay in a hotel, avoid the big name ones. You know the one I'm talking about now, the hotel, the Sheraton, all these ones. I like those ones. When you're trying to save money, look for all those small hotels in Lekki if you're on the island, or stay on the mainland, because there's so many hotels that are so affordable but are not the the ones that everyone talks about. So yeah. Number 4, avoid going to all the music concerts. You don't have to go to every single concert. These concerts, they take your money. Like, be smart. You can even watch it on Instagram Live these days. You don't have to actually go to these concerts. Yes, you can go to a few, but you do not have to go to every single one because you will be bankrupt. Number 5, when it comes to feeding, opt more regularly for the likes of Chicken Republic, the place, affordable places with like super saver meal deals, and less of the shiros, the ones that you go in and you come out and your bill is 50,000. Yes. Number 6, if you decide to opt for the fancy places, I would advise that you request for water, because if you're requesting for all these cocktails, cocktail will be 6,000 naira. Before you know it, you've had 3. Cocktails are expensive. Like, it's the same price that you'll be paying in London or in New York that you'll be paying for a cocktail in Lagos. So opt for water. Number 7, if you want to even be more frugal, what you'll do is you hire a cook to cook in bulk for you. Cook fried rice, jollof rice, soups, everything, that you can now put in your freezer in your accommodation, so you can be taking it small. That is a very smart way to save money. Number 8, if you are adventurous, eat street food. Street food is super cheap, super filling, but make sure your stomach is is ready. Number 9, when it comes to partying, say yes to house parties and say no to clubs. Because in a club, you'll be paying 100,000 naira for a bottle of alcohol that when you step outside there, it's 10,000 naira. Be smart. Number 10, we all know it now. December is wedding season. Like everybody's getting married in December and everybody wants to attend a wedding. And even if you don't even know the groom or the bride, you want to attend, you want to do attaché and go to a wedding. That is all well and good. But do you have to buy ashwebi for every single one? As in, those ashwebis, they add up. Think about it. I'm sure you have ashwebi in your wardrobe that you wore once and you don't want it again. It's like an investment, you know? So avoid buying ashwebi for every single wedding you attend in December. You don't have to. It is not compulsory. If they are upset with you, let them be upset with you. It is not by force. Number 11, avoid paying for the group. You know, we have that thing in Nigeria whereby sometimes people pay for everybody, you know. But if you're trying to save money, avoid it. Let everyone know, bro, sis, we're going to that place, have you got yourself? Because I've only got myself. Just because you came from abroad, from the abroad, doesn't mean you want to blow your life in Lagos in December. Especially during these times, you need to be smart with money. So let them know you got yourself. I got me, a mini she want it here. Number 12, negotiate aggressively. Whether that's in formal markets or informal markets, you need to be able to negotiate to barter. No, you need to negotiate to bargain for things. You don't hear the first price. They say, this cloth is 5,000. You say, okay, here, 5,000. You reply, 5,000? No, 1,000. You know, you're allowed to do it. So do it. Be smart. Don't let, they can smell you. I just got back from far away. So be smart. Use your thinking well. Number 13, you know that Oyibo accent or that Yankee accent that you want to bring to floss for all of us that are in Lagos and to floss for us, drop it. Because if you keep that accent, the price of everything you buy will just be ascending. You get? So drop the accent, talk in pidgin. And maybe what you should do is find a local friend that can escort you wherever you go and that one can speak. Because if not, you're going to be paying way more than you need to. Number 14, you do not have to tip. Especially for my Americanas. I understand you guys typically tip 21%, and I encourage you to tip if the service was like outstanding, it was great, but you do not have to. And that's 21%, 15%. It doesn't really apply in Nigeria. It's whatever is in your heart. If you like give 100%, if you like give 5%, whatever you feel like the person deserves, what you should give. So you don't feel you have to have the same pressure or the same way of doing in Yankee that you have to do in Nigeria. It doesn't work like that. If you want to tip, nobody can do anything to you. So don't stress yourself on that. Like I have friends that when they come to, Nigeria in December, they are tipping anyhow. They're not asking me later, my money is finishing. I'm like, when you're distributing it anyhow, you didn't know, and you're wondering how it's finished. Number 15, stay on the mainland. You do not have to stay on the island. The island tends to be a little bit expensive, whether it's even like feeding, everything's just doubles or triples in price. But if you're on the mainland, it's a little bit more affordable. But if you want to be in the pits of what things are going on, I get it. But this is just a great way to save money. I'm just trying to help you guys here. So I know I said I'll be sharing with you guys 20 tips on how to actually save money in December in Lagos. I'm only I am stopping at 15 because I want you guys to share with me some tips, because I know some of you guys are pros when it comes to, keeping your money. You are Ijebu people just like me. So drop those comments and let's help each other. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to give us a thumbs up and turn on your notifications so you never ever miss my content. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you guys and I'm looking forward to seeing you on my next video. Bye.